I recently had a free consultation with Cash Coin. Super dope name, by the way. He is the product and program manager at Moody's, and they are an enterprise organization in the financial space with over 11,000 users. And Cash brought up a lot of great questions that we were able to resolve on the call. I pulled together some key moments from our conversation, and I wanted to share those with all of you that might be in a similar place looking for similar solutions. I can almost guarantee you that at least one or two of these you've either struggled with before or are currently struggling with now, so hopefully it helps you alleviate some problems within your Jira environment. Let's jump in.
My biggest issue is, and this, I don't even know if this is a Jira issue or there's something that you can do in Jira to help me, are two things. One is having the team members keep their statuses up to date. You know, we're getting more vigilant in our scrums on making sure that happens, which has been helpful.
Have you tried anything along the lines of having automation that maybe pings them in the comments after X amount of
Yes.
time has passed? Okay, you've tried and it doesn't work.
Yeah, well, I have some of that. I have some follow-up fields, which have dates and for, reminders of things to follow up on. And I also use the 4 dots on the Scrum board, as an indicator to me that when we're in the Scrum meeting, I hover over them just to show them, well, it's been here a while. What's going on with that?
A little bit more specific, I don't know if you've tried this in particular, but adding a JQL for a task that, let's say, hasn't been updated in 48 hours, so literally no action, no status changes, no field changes, then you could drop a comment in there to the assignee saying, hey, is this like up to date? Just verifying whatever. If they add a comment, or you don't have to necessarily have them add an action there, but that's a great way to kind of remind them and ping them on something that has just been sitting there without any update for X amount of time. But yeah, I mean, in terms of trying to get updates to come in, that's a tough one. That really is like really a team training thing, right? Like a process thing. I don't know. I've seen some teams do this successfully. Some don't really like it, but maybe even like a gamified version of something like that, where you kind of reward them for keeping things up to date and having progress made on certain tasks.
Oh, that's good.
A few ways, yeah. There's a few ways you could do that. There's a couple of options. You could either like kind of structure that internally, or there's some apps that I've used here and there that have helped with that. Some teams are great at that and just don't need any kind of reminders. Other teams, you have to really, really push.
Okay, yeah, I like that aspect of something like gamifying. I can think of some interesting things to do there.
So first thing here, as soon as Cash said, I don't think this is a Jira thing, usually when you think that, it's usually not. So in this case, the problem that Cash mentioned was the teams aren't updating the statuses on their boards. There's a few things we could do in Jira that can help with this. If it were me, I'd probably start by setting a standard and a goal for my own team and make sure that everybody understands the expectation. We could also roll training into how to update these statuses, when, why, and how often. That way we get very clear and defined on the expectation, but at its core, it's really a problem with expectation. Now, I definitely recommend trying out a few tactics that I'll mention in a moment, but I'd also do this in parallel with your team to make sure that your standards are set and everybody's on the same page. Real quick, I've implemented Jira for over 200 companies. By far, the #1 reason teams reach out to us is because they built what they thought was a great solution, only to realize that nobody actually ended up using it. And if that sounds familiar, that's exactly what we help you fix. We're currently taking on new projects 4 to 6 weeks out. And if you want help implementing Jira in a way that your team will actually use, hit the first link in the description below.